Prepositions of time. In. Parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Centuries. In the 15th century, in the 21st century. Months. In January, in May, in December. Weeks. In a week, in 2 weeks. Seasons. In spring, in summer, in autumn, in winter. Holidays. In the Easter holiday. Years. In 1989, in 2000. Periods of time. In the past, in the Middle Ages, in 3 hours. Decades. In the 1960s, in the 2010s. On. Days. On Monday, on Thursday, on Sunday. Dates. On April 3rd, on the 8th, on the first day. Holidays with day. On New Year's Day, on Christmas Day. Specific day. On my birthday, on holiday, on that day. Day plus part. On Sunday mornings, on Friday afternoons. Time. On the weekend, on time, on a cold day. At. Hours. At 7 a.m., at 12 o'clock, at 5 p.m. Parts of the day. At night, at lunch, at dinner time. Holidays without day. At Easter, at Christmas, at New Year. Time. At present, at breakfast, at that time.